Hello class 6, welcome to your English class. Today I am going to explain you the first chapter of your English supplementary book. The name of the chapter is A Tale of Two Birds. A Tale of Two Birds is a story that teaches that a person's company has a lots of influence on him or her. It is a story about a family of birds consisting a mother and two baby birds. They lived in a nest placed over a tall tree in the forest. One night there was a fierce thunderstorm. A branch broke and fell on the nest. The winds were blowing, and a heavy wind carried the baby birds far away to the other side of the forest. One baby bird fell near cave of robbers and the other one fell near a rishi's ashram. With the passage of time, both the birds grew young. One day, the king of the country came to the forest. He lost his way during hunting. When he came close to the cave of the robbers, the bird started shouting, "Rob the man! Take away his horse and jewels!" The king got shocked and went away from there, and he reached to the Rishi's ashram and sat under a tree. There he saw the same bird, but he was amazed to know that by nature this bird was totally different. He amazed to hear when the bird welcomed him and offered to go inside the hut, drink water and rest. Soon the rishi came and the king asked him about both the birds. And then the rishi explained about the birds. The rishi said that good or bad company affect one's growth. The bird near the cave had grown up hearing robbers' evil words, while the bird near the ashram had grown up hearing good words of Rishi. So they both behaved like what they have seen throughout their life. The upbringing of both the birds created all the difference. So the moral of the story is, one is known by the company he keeps. So we should always try to have good friends, should always try to live in a good surrounding so that we can be grown up like a good and well-mannered person. Thank you. Now there are some question answers I am attaching with this video. Please go through them, write them in your copy and learn them. Thank you. Question number 1. How did the two baby birds get separated? Answer. The two baby birds lived in a tall tree with their mother. One day a big storm blew. The tree came down. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew to the two chicks away to the other side of the forest at a little distance from each other. Thus they got separated from each other. Question number 2. Where did each of them find a home? Answer. One of the young birds came down near a cave. A gang of robbers lived there. The other bird landed outside the ashram of a rishi at a little distance. Question number 3. What did the first bird say to the stranger? Answer. The first bird saw the stranger. He called the robbers to hurry up and rob the man of his jewels and his horse. Indirectly, he asked the stranger to leave the place at once. Question number 4. What did the second bird say to him? Answer. The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He requested the stranger to drink water, take rest and make himself comfortable. He added that his brother lived in the company of robbers, so he talked like them. Question number 5. How did the Rishi explain the different ways in which the two birds behave? Answer. The king told the Rishi about the different behavior of the two birds. The Rishi explained that the first bird repeated the words of the robbers. The second bird repeated what he had always heard at the ashram. Their different ways were the result of their company. Question number 6. Which one of the following sums up the story best? The answer is, one is known by the company one keeps. Now, short answer type questions. Question number 1. How did different company affect the character and behavior of the two birds? Answer. The two birds were brothers, but they got separated when a storm blew. One came down near a cave where robbers lived. The other landed outside a rishi's ashram. The former learned the language of the robbers. The latter learned to welcome the strangers sweetly. Thus, their company shaped their behavior. Question number 2. What amazed the king as he stood near the cave? Answer. The king heard a big brown bird on the tree calling out to the robbers to come and loot the stranger. Question number 3. How did the other bird greet the king? Answer. The other bird welcomed the king to the ashram. Gently he requested the king to make himself comfortable in the ashram. Alright students, write these questions in your notebook and learn them. Thank you. Bye-bye. Read all these questions carefully, write them on your notebook and learn them. Thanks. Stay home, stay safe.